For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Actor Rhea Chakraborty, who a few days ago confessed that she was the girlfriend of actor Sushant Singh Rajput, has hired India's most expensive lawyers. Rhea has hired Satish Manishinde to seek anticipatory bail in the case filed by the late actor's father, KK Singh. KK Singh has accused the actor of many serious charges, from misusing SSR's money to mentally harassing him to keeping him away from his family and much more. KK Singh in his statement also claimed that Rhea blackmailed Sushant Singh Rajput of leaking his medical reports in media, which would destroy his career. These are very serious allegations, and the fact that SSR's father himself has said all this, SSR's suicide case has taken the biggest turn. A few weeks ago, SSR's fans had circulated a statement on social media which they alleged was of Sushant Singh Rajput. In the statement, SSR had reportedly said that if he remains in a relationship with Rhea Chakraborty, he will soon be killed. Soon after KK Singh filed an FIR against Rhea Chakraborty, her family members and SSR's current manager, Shruti Modi, SSR's US-based sister, Shweta Singh Kriti, took to Instagram to share a message. Many even questioned Rhea's choice of lawyers to get a bail.
Rhea Chakraborty has hired the most expensive lawyer in India, Satish Manishinde. He is the one who fought the notorious cases of Salman Khan and Sanjay Dutt. Wow, what a track record. I see a trend here, exactly what we predicted. Hashtag why fear CBI for SSR.
In fact, Team Kangana Ranaut tweeted a series of tweets questioning Rhea Chakraborty. Team Kangana Ranaut shared a screenshot of Rhea's request to Amit Shah to initiate a CBI probe into SSR's suicide case and slammed her. Yes, madam, when you will be remanded, you will tell how you found out about his pressures and fears, threaten him to expose his reports diagnosed by your doctor given to you by Bhakts and Aktars, every secret he told you of his, you used against him. Fear of movie mafia, media, their smear campaigns, and being out of work, he was already struggling with a lot, but very clearly, you kept hurting him where it hurt the most. But who was empowering a small fry like you? How come you snatched his reports and gadgets and kept deleting his posts long after he was gone? Hashtag Justice for Sushant Singh Rajput. For now, a special investigation team from Bihar flew to Mumbai to initiate a probe into the case. Rhea Chakraborty will be questioned again regarding the allegations against her. Sushant Singh Rajput's fans have been standing in solidarity with his family ever since the actor was found hanging in his apartment, and now the case has become more intense. But the question is, with all the demands, new angles and allegations, will the government give its nod for a CBI probe into the case?